Career records and game records for 27 yards or something. What kind of performances do you think we had?
Murray the man. He just, I mean, he's been proving it all year. He proved it last year. He can play, and he's good at quarterback.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Now that you're getting consistent snaps on offense, do you feel like you and Murray's chemistry this season starting to build up?
We're straight. Me and him always talked and played around, so I mean, it's just we fine.
And next week, one game, Florida.
Yeah.
What you think, man?
We gotta play hard. They got some momentum. They trying to carry it on to next week. They're definitely gonna carry it to us because even if they were undefeated, they're gonna play us hard anyway. So this is us gonna play us extremely hard.
Were you guys talking about the game, about the Florida game before you guys took the field, because they were building a pretty good lead?
Did we talk about it?
Yeah. Did you guys?
I ain't talking about it.
You guys don't get any updates or anything like that?
Because it don't matter if we lose. You know what I mean? Definitely not before the game. We had to focus on Kentucky. That's who we're playing.
How important was this win coming
Very
up?
important. Every important win. Every win is important. So we had to take this and just get better this game and prepare for the next game.
You miss playing defense at all?
A little bit. I thought I was going to get one or two plays out there, but I guess somebody else ran in.